The free Snap-on Cloud service allows you to upload and share files off your scan tool with your customers. So for example, pre-scans, post-scans, screenshots off of the tool, and also on some tools you can have the camera, and also the Diagnostic Thermal Imager Elite will upload pictures as well. So let's walk through generating a couple files and then see how we can use it and share it on the website. Okay, so the first thing I want to do is I want to generate a pre-scan on this vehicle. So we'll go into Scanner and we'll ID the vehicle real quick here. It's a Subaru. It's been sitting here for a while, so okay, auto ID. Okay, and there's my information. Hit OK. Now, first thing we want to do to generate a pre-scan is we'll do code scan and then hit a pre-scan right there, and then it's going to scan through all the different systems and it'll give us a health check as to what's going on inside the vehicle, any codes in any of the systems, because there are systems that will have a code that don't have a light associated with them. So you always want to make sure you're scanning through the entire vehicle, all the different systems, so you can give your customers a good comprehensive health check. Okay, and now we see the code scan results were saved to the tool. So they're also automatically uploading to the cloud as well. So we'll give that a minute just to get up there. Let's go into the engine system really quick. And we will check some data stream. So we have engine data. Now the engine's not running, but we can see the data stream here. So you have a display, and say there was an anomaly going on with this engine data. All I have to do is hit this S button right there. That'll save a screenshot as well, and those screenshots automatically upload to the cloud to be shared as well. So now with that, we should be able to, at this point, go back over to our laptop and see what that looks like on the website. So I already have the website open on the browser, so in order to see any of the new files that got uploaded, I'll have to refresh. So I'll just hit F5 here real quick. That'll refresh, and now we can see on the top two here, we have our vehicle system report we just did, and we have our data stream capture that we just did as well. Now let's say I wanted to share this vehicle system report right here. You can see at the bottom of that icon there is a link. So I can click on that link, and you can see we have three options. The first one is send via SMS. Now, since I don't have this open on my cell phone, that is grayed out. What that does is if you do have this open on a cell phone, it works on anything with a browser, so a phone, a tablet, or a laptop, PC or Mac as well. If I had it open on my phone, it would be active, and then I could send it as a text message to my customer. Also, we have send via email. So if I click on that, it is going to open my default email browser or email application, whatever that happens to be. In this case, it's Outlook. And then it will put a link to the file in there and then also put a subject in. So all I would have to do is type in the address I'm sending it to and then hit send. Okay? And then the last one is copy to clipboard. So if I wanted to copy this link to my clipboard and paste it anywhere else, say I was using webmail like Gmail or Yahoo or something like that, or if I was using a shop management program, I could paste it in as a note and then I would have a link in between the pre-scan and the repair order in my shop management system as well. And then of course we could do the same thing with the picture. Now if I want to view the report, I can go in here and click on that. It's going to open up a little bit more information. It automatically tags it with the vehicle VIN, year, make, model, what kind of engine is in there, and then we can also say whether it's a known good or bad. We can also type in our own keywords here. Any of the keywords are fully searchable throughout, so if we have hundreds or thousands of files in here, we can just go through and search them with any of those criteria. If I click on this icon again, it's going to open my system report, and then we can see here is what my customer would see if they were to open this pre-scan report on the vehicle. Please note that you do need to have current software on the tool to allow uploads from the tool, but otherwise any existing files that are on the service will be allowed to be accessed. So as I said, this Snap-on Cloud is a free, easy way to help share files with your customers. Could help you get job approval faster and help your customers be more aware of what's going on with their vehicle.